it's your girl Londyn, and today we are doing the July Boxycharm Base Box unboxing. So if you have not already, please hit subscribe and that notification bell so you can be notified of all my new videos. And if you have not already, head over to Instagram and follow me at Londyn Brielle so you can see what's going on with me day to day when I'm not here. Now, I know that I look a little bare, but I promise you, totes my goats, I'm not. It's just little tubesies. So fear not, guys. I am properly attired. So Boxycharm, they have three different kind of levels of boxes. They have the Boxycharm Base Box, which we're going to talk about today. They have Boxy Luxe and they have Boxy Premium. Each one has a different price. Each one encompasses different things. So let's just focus on the one that we're talking about today, which is the Boxycharm Base Box. This box is $25 a month. And for that $25, you are supposed to get 5 full-size products, and the products are supposed to total at least $120. So if you think about that, you really are getting, you know, almost 4 times the amount what you pay for the box. So if you only pay $25, you're supposed to get $120 plus worth of product. That seems like a pretty good deal. So as long as you're getting things that you want or things that you need, Boxycharm can be a really great value to somebody who otherwise would be on a very restrictive budget for products, or who wants to kind of have new products show up that maybe you wouldn't have chosen for yourself, but that's kind of the fun in it, is knowing that for $25 a month, you're going to be getting some products that were chosen for you through kind of like a beauty quiz that you take online. So on Boxycharm, what you'll do is you'll take a beauty quiz. It'll ask your hair color, your eye color, products that you like, products that you don't like, your skin tone, and that is how they try to assess what products would be good for you and also what color products would be good for you. So the box itself comes like this. I want to make sure I don't show my address. So this is the Boxycharm box, and it is a very cute, it's very black, has a cute little heart. So I really enjoy this box. I think it's so cute. With that, once you open it, it will just say, "Hello, Charmers." And as you see, oh, hit myself. I pre-opened the box. You will have a little card, and on your card, it will say all the items that you have in your box. There are many variations of each version of Boxycharm box. So there's 3 levels, and of those 3 levels, there are a ton of different versions. So my version is version number 31. So if you got 31 too, watch closely because these are the things that you got. So the first thing I got is the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro-Sculpting Pencil. It says, an ultra-precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade-worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4mm tip provides complete control for naturally defined brows. And it says that this retails for $28. So this is what this looks like. Currently, I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow, the brow pomade. I use mostly Benefit products to do my brows with. I have used the IT Cosmetics, but I feel like you get a very little bit of product for the price of that. This is the packaging. It's very thin, and I did swatch it. Let me give you guys a little insight on this. I had to refilm this because I totally sneezed during the middle of the video, so I do already have a swatch of this right here, and this is Deep Brunette, or Darkest Brunette, and I actually like that better because even though most people think I go for black or granite, that actually is a little too dark for me. Even though my hair is black, really the deepest or the darkest brunette works more appropriately, and it allows me to build it up or keep it low if I want to, where black or granite colors is kind of just like, for me it's kind of just like Sharpie pencil. The other side has a spoolie. It's very nice. It's very sleek. I definitely love the packaging, so I'm excited about using this. And I will do a follow-up video kind of using these items, but I didn't want to go into it before I did my video today because I wanted to be surprised with you guys. Unfortunately, I had found out about the Hourglass product because I had filmed this video a few minutes ago and then sneezed. So the next product is going to be from 111 Skin. And this says this is a NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. Okay. A daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Okay, so whether it's our cell phones, our computers, the sun, even though we're inside, just coming through the windows, you know, your blinds and things like that, it can cause damage to the skin and be a quote-unquote pollutant. It says this retails for $135. Ma'am, okay. All right, so this is what it is right here, and this is by 111 Skin. I've never even heard of this brand, to be quite honest with you, but at $135, your girl wouldn't have heard of them, because your girl's not paying $135 for a pollution defense booster. You get 0.68 fluid ounces, which is actually pretty good for skincare. And this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful frosted glass bottle, and it appears that it comes with a dropper. It says the directions are to shake well before you use and mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or apply directly to the skin after cleansing. So I'm kind of excited about trying that product out, and I think I really want to look online and see some of the reviews on that, because like I said, I've never heard of 111 Skin, but I know for $135 there's got to be some good reviews on that, right? Okay, so then again, remember I paid $25 for the box. So the Hourglass Arch Brow Pencil, that's $28. So already the box was paid for, and I had $3 extra to spare. Now with a $135 product, and the box itself is only supposed to be worth $120, like a minimum of $120. I've already blown what the box is supposed to be worth, minimum $120. I'm already over that, and I've already exceeded the $25 I paid. So this box, even if I didn't like the products in it, just dollar and cents wise, this box has already been made worth it. But I did like the first 2 products, so that makes it doubly worth it, because money wise it was worth it, and also me personally, the products are worth it to me. So next product is from Grayson Stella. So it says Grayson Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask, 12 pairs. Oh, girl, I freaking love eye masks. Like, I'm always trying to work with the under eyes. I love eye masks. So this says suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes. Perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks, which I never get. These revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. I'm here for all of that information. And it says these are $21. So 12 pairs. And they made sure they put 12 pairs. So I'm assuming that really in here would be then 24, because you know you have 2 for each eye. So if there's 12 pairs of them, then it would be 24 that are in here. It says, and a cleansed, makeup-free skin, carefully place the eye mask under the eyes. Let the mask work its brightening, depuffing, hydrating magic for 15 to 20 minutes. Discard mask and massage remaining essence under the eyes. No need to rinse. So you want to give yourself 15 to 20 minutes to ensure that you have the time to use this product. It is encased, so I do not want to open it because I'm not ready to use it. But I'm very, very excited about that. Yeah, very amped. Okay. And it looks like we have our last 2 products here. So the next product that we have, let's see. This is from Deuce, I believe. It's DOUCCE. And this is a fierce and fine graphic pen, a deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that is easy and effortless to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or thin line depending on the amount of pressure used during application. It says this is $21. Very nice. So this is what it looks like. And I don't want to open it right now because I'm not going to use it right now. It does have a 6-month shelf life. Very nice. So I cannot wait to use this in a kind of review of everything they have going on in the box. I am always looking for an appropriate eyeliner. Just because they're difficult to find, although there's a lot on the market. I prefer waterproof because I hate when they bleed down to your under eye and they make you look like a raccoon. So I am excited about this one. $21 excited. I don't know, but that's the benefit of the box, is being able to try it out. The very last product we have here is from Pure Cosmetics, and it says the Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. So we get another eyeshadow palette. I'm excited about this one because although Pure, typically I haven't had really great experiences with their eyeshadows, although I did like the Barbie palette. They did just release a collab with Raw Beauty Kristi, which I spent about 12 hours in line, in virtual line, to try to get, and they did take the money out of my account, so I am hoping that it is going to come to me here shortly. So I am actually a little excited about Pure now. It says, get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer-infused 12 piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats the lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking, light reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades. So I know when they use the term pigment instead of eyeshadows, it means that either all of them are not eye area safe, or more than not are not eye area safe. A lot of times it happens when they have like vegan palettes and things like that, so that's not uncommon. But then again, a lot of times when they say pressed pigments, those can also sting your eyes. And it says this retails for $36. So this is what the box looks like. So it's very reflective, so you might not even really be able to see. It says Festival in its reflectiveness, and on the back it kind of has the colors. So let's go ahead and let's take a little look-see-loo inside and kind of see what the actual palette looks like. Oh, I like when they keep the palette looking exactly like the unicorn. Very, very nice. It says this is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and it says please recycle, so you can recycle this box. It says it is only a 6-month shelf life though. And this is Festival 2.0. Oh, I think I have the original Festival, actually. These are very pretty. And actually, a few shadows look a little reminiscent of the ones in Raw Beauty, Christie's palette. These look very pretty. So, okay, let me see how they feel. This is Dreamland. It does feel very creamy. And let me do, oh, wow. These shimmers, oh wow, those feel nice. Let's see if we can, so this is Vibes in Dreamland. Let's just see. Oh, horrible swatches, but yeah, very nice. Okay, so all right, Pure, so I'm excited to use that. Very good. So let me, just for GP purposes, let me kind of see what the total of our box was today. Just so if any of you guys are wondering and you don't want to kind of do the math yourself, let me go ahead and do it. So we had the Pollution Defensor, which is $135, the Hourglass product, which was $28, the Pure palette, which is $36, the Grayson Stella Anti-Wrinkle eye masks, which are $21, and then we had the Fierce and Fine graphic pen, which is $21. This box was $241. Now remember, $120 is the minimum that the box is supposed to be. So my box is literally double what Boxycharm says it was going to be. So I spent $25 and got $241 worth of product. So let's just do the math on that. So $241. Let's keep it going. So I got about 10 times, about probably like 9.5 times the amount of product that I paid for. That's pretty freaking good. I mean, almost 10 times the amount of product that I paid for. So this was a good deal financially, because I paid $25 and I got $241 worth of product. Now imagine spending $241 at Sephora, and imagine getting $241 worth of product from Sephora for only $25. That's what this was right here. So that is fantastic, and I'm either interested in the products or already know that I like the products. So like the eyeshadow, they look like they were beautiful. Eyebrow pencil, I can totally use. Under eye mask, totally can use. Defense product, never used it, but I'll totally try it. And then we have our graphic pen, always can use an eyeliner. Always up for trying new ones. So for me, this box was a win because all 5 products I'm totally into and I can't wait to try. And again, financially, it was out of the park. I got basically 10 times worth what I spent. So this is a win, and this was the base box, guys. This wasn't even the luxe or the premium, or it's just like, oh, I really think that it can be hit or miss. And again, mine is version 31, so that means that there's a lot of variances out there, but when it works, it really works. So I think if you're thinking about it, if you have been thinking about it, I think that there's no harm in maybe giving it a 3-month trial. Like, give it 3 months. That's $75, and even if you just got the bare minimum products, it would still be $360 worth of product that you would get in those 3 months for $75. Try it out, see if you like it. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to head on over. But again, Paid $25, got $241 worth of product from name brands, got $135 face pollution product, so got 10 times worth what I spent, about 10 times worth what I spent. So I think it's a go. So if you guys have used any of these products, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're interested in Boxycharm, if you've tried Boxycharm, if you had an experience with Boxycharm, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know how you like the video, how you're feeling about this, and just kind of engage with me a little bit down below. Like I said, I will use these products in the video, just so that way you guys know, like, okay, you opened it and ooh, great, but how did it turn out for you? Like, yes, right now it feels financially good and it feels like you like the product, but in the end, did you actually end up liking the product? So I will do an update on the box, so that way you guys know whether or not the products actually worked for me or not. So guys, thank you so much for taking your time out today to hang out with me and sit through this video with me. And until next time, guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.